Hello students. Today we will discuss Philip Larkin's poem At Grass. This is a poem about a number of retired race horses who had won many victories in the racing contests in the past, but who are now too old to participate in those contests. This is a poem which would mainly interest people who actually go to horse races to watch the horses running and who stake their money on their favorite horses. The crowd at the horse race is generally very large and is in a state of great excitement because everybody hopes to win some money. It is really strange that people who are interested in horse races feel so excited on these occasions as to forget everything else in the world. With some people, horse races are an obsession, and such people continue to discuss their favorite horses and their prospects at the next weekly or monthly race. For the ordinary reader, perhaps this poem does not have much of an appeal. In any case, this poem became very popular in England immediately after its publication, and it added greatly to Larkin's reputation as a poet. It is said that one afternoon, Larkin went to see a cinema film, and before the start of the actual film, watched a short film at the same cinema about a horse race which had been famous before the World War II. After that short film, Larkin learned that the particular race horse was now retired and that he was now at grass, quite happy and moving about without a harness and without a jockey to ride upon him and control his movements by pulling the rein. Larkin, for some strange reason, felt greatly impressed by the story of the retired horse and soon afterwards wrote the poem before us. The poem became popular obviously because Larkin has here captured the whole excitement of the horse race and brought before the reader's mind the entire spectacle of a large crowd of people, including ladies, watching a race with keen eagerness and interest and awaiting the result with bated breaths because each one of them had staked money on his or her favorite horse. Here, the poet has been able to put himself not only in the position of the watching crowd of people, but also in the position of the running horses themselves, and subsequently in the position of the retired horses. Larkin here endowed the retired horses with the faculties of thinking and feeling, or with a kind of human awareness of their achievements and their past glory. The imagery in this poem is vivid and realistic. We are here to enable the visualized the horses as well as the crowds of people gathered at the horse race to watch the horses running. And the picture of the horses at grass is even more vivid and realistic.